morning, students. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to DMC Online Education. Yes, students. So, kids, today is the class of mathematics, standard second, and we are going to deal with the topic that is 12 months in a year. And I am your expert teacher, Safia Sheikh from Ganesh Nagar MPS, Sandivali. Yes, students, let's enjoy this beautiful song. Just pay attention, students, and enjoy the song, children. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Month number 1, January. Month number 2, February. Month number 3, March. Month number 4, April. January, February, March, and April. Month number 5, May. Month number 6, June. Month number 7, July. Number 8, August. May, June, July, and August. Month number 9, September. Month number 10, October. Month number 11, November. Month number 12, December. September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Back to January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months, every single month, all 12 months of the year. Okay, children. So I hope you enjoyed this beautiful song, children. Now, children, see your textbook, children. Yes, the beautiful wheel is given of month of English calendar. Yes, children. So, the winter season. Yes, there are 3 seasons in our country. So the first one is winter, the summer, and the rainy season. Yes, children, which season do you enjoy? Yes, some students they like winter season. Some students they like summer season because they love to eat ice creams, yes, in the summer season, and some students like rainy season. Yes, so today we are dealing with the topic that is month of English calendar, and this calendar is also known as Gregorian years. Yes, English month is also known as Gregorian years. So let's see one by one, students, about the months. So children, yes, the year begins with the month of January. Yes, children, the Indian calendar. Yes, the Indian years. The Gregorian years begins with the month of January and it ends with the month that is December. Remember this, children. It starts with the month of January and it ends with the month of December. Now, dear students, yes, January, January, January. This is the first month of the year, children. And what do you celebrate, children, on 1st January? Yes, you wishes a happy new year to your friends and families. Yeah. Yes, children, remember this January has 31 days. Yes, children, don't forget it. 31 days are there in the month of January, and it is the first month, children. Yes, it is the first month of the year. Yes, children, remember this. Now, what come after January then, children? Which is the second month? Let's see, children. Yes, February. Yes, children. February. Yes, children. It is the second month. See how the second month, February, is dancing. Yes. And children, February has 28 or 29 days. Yes, children. And do you remember, children? There are many days that we celebrate in this month. Yes, can you tell? Ah, yes, chocolate day. Again, teddy day. Again, very good, children. देन चिल्ड्रन लास्ट में आप लोग क्या करते हो? सब डे सेलिब्रेट होने के बाद आप लोग स्कूल में आके किक डे, स्लैप डे एंड ऑल दिस डेज आप लोग सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. वेरी बैड चिल्ड्रन, यू डोंट हैव टू सेलिब्रेट दीज डेज. ओके, नाउ चिल्ड्रन, द थर्ड मंथ. Let's turn our calendar to the third month. Yes, children, the third month. Wow, that is a March. March. Yes, children, the beautiful month, that is the third month of the year. Yes, Gregorian calendar, English month, the third month is March, students, and it has 31 days. See, February has only 28 or 29 days, but March has 31 days. Remember these, children. Yes, March has 31 days. Then after February, March comes. Then what about after March? Which month is going to come? Yes, children, it's your exam time month. Yes, you all start preparing for your examination, and in the month of April, yes, children, you enjoy lots of candies. Yes, children, and it's autumn season. Yes, you start preparing for your examination. Then after your examination, you pack your bag and you goes to your uncle house. Yes, children, it is the fourth month. April is the fourth month of the year. Now guess, children, how many days are there? So the month of April has 30 days, children. Remember this. Yes, our first month was January. Then our second month was February. Third month was March. And now fourth month. So after March, April comes, and April has 30 days, children. Remember this. Then what about after April, children? Yes, your favorite month, that is May, and it's your summer vacation time. Yes, children, you go to beach and you enjoy the sunset. Yes, evening time, and you spend time with your families, with your friends. Yes, so the month May. Yes, you enjoyed your vacation. Again, this is the, children, fifth month. Yes, and in this month you love to have mangoes. Yes, children, in this month you eat lots of mangoes. So this is the fifth month, and it has, children, see here, 31 days. May. May month has 31 days, children. Yes, so remember these. When you eat mangoes in this month, so always remember that there are 31 days in the month of May, and it is the fifth month of the Gregorian year. Yes, Gregorian calendar. Now, what about which month will appear now after May, children? Yes, your favorite season. It's rainy season and the month is June. See how the frog is dancing? Yes. So this is the sixth month. June is the sixth month of the year. J U N E, June. Remember the spelling, children. And in this month, children, again your school is started. Yes, 15th of June you have to resume to your school, children. But now in this year 2020, what happened, children? Due to this pandemic coronavirus, yes, you are doing your online teaching. So schools are closed, but your education is going on, children. So June is the sixth month of the year, children. Remember this. Now, how many days does this June month has? Think of, children. Yes, think. Yes, it has 30 days. See here, the frog is enjoying the rain of June month. Yes, children. Then, children, what about the next month? Yes, it's your unit time exam, children. Yes, your unit test is there in this month. So, it's the July month, children. Yes. चिल्ड्रन आप लोग स्टडी करते हो ना जुलाई मंथ के लिए प्रिपरेशन करते हो ना यस फॉर योर फर्स्ट यूनिट टेस्ट एग्जाम चिल्ड्रन एंड इट इज द सेवेंथ मंथ यस JULY July. This is the seventh month, children. Seventh month of the year. And children, how many days does this July has? It has 31 days, children. Yes, remember this, children. July is the seventh month of the year. Yes, and it has 31 days, children. Now, children, what about the next month? Guess it, children. You start preparing for your school programs. Yes, children. Then it is the month of August. Yes, children. Then, children, what is the specialty of this month, children? Yes, you have a love to your nation. You have a respect to your nation. Yes, it's 15th August, children. Independence Day. You celebrate Independence Day in the month of August, and that is on 15th of August is celebrated as Independence Day. So, August is the 8th month, children. Yes, AUGUST. This is the August month. That is 8th month of the year. Then, children, how many days August has? It has 31 days, children. Yes. Remember this. August is famous for Independence Day and it is the 8th month of the year and it has 31 days, children. Next, after August, yes, it's September month. Yes, children, and it is the ninth month. Yes, children, remember this. September is the ninth month of the year, children. Then, children, what is there in the month of September? Can you tell me? Yes, children, see how many days? Yes, A beautiful bicycle. It's an autumn season. Yes, children. It has 30 days, children. September is the 9th month and it has 30 days, children. Remember this. And it comes after August. Now, what comes after September then, children? Guess, children, guess. Yes. It's the month of October. Yes, children. O C T O B E R. It's October. Yes, children. So, this is the 10th month. Yes, children, this is the 10th month of the year. And how many days are there, children, then? Just guess it. And do you remember, children? There are 31 days. And do you know this month is famous for Halloween? Yes, children, Halloween. See, you can see the pumpkin over here. So, October is the 10th month of the year and it has 31 days, children. So, remember this. Now, after October, the month, yes, children, November. And what is special in this month, children? Just, yes, children, yes. 14th of November, something is there, your teacher give you sweets, children, then you enjoy the party. Yes, it's Children Day, children. So, 14th November is celebrated as Children's Day, children. Now, this is the 11th month. Yes, 11th month of the year. And November has 30 days, children. Yes, November has only 30 days. This is the 11th month of the year. N O V E M B E R. November. See how the children are holding the alphabets. Yes, it's your month, children. It's the Children's Day month. Now, what month comes after November then, children? Yes, guess it. Your favorite character. Yes, the Santa Claus. Santa Claus comes in the month. Yes, it's December month. D E C E M B E R. Yes, children, it's December month. And you all enjoy this month, I know, children. Why? Because your Santa Claus comes in this month and he brings lots of gifts to you, children. Yes, and he says, Merry Christmas to all. See here, children, how these children are happy. कितने खुश है ये? Why? Because Santa Claus gave them the gift, children. So remember, December is the last month of the year and it is the 12th month. Yes, the last month and the 12th month of the year, December, and it has 31 days. Yes, 31st की आप लोग पार्टी करते हो ना, टीचर्स को भी आप लोग परेशान करते हो. टीचर न्यू ईयर पार्टी, टीचर we will celebrate New Year party. Yes, children. So, this month has 31 days. December has 31 days, children. So, remember this. December is famous for Christmas. Yes, children. We wish a Merry Christmas to all our friends and relatives. and a beautiful Santa Claus. Yes, Santa Claus comes and he distributes sweets, chocolates, and gifts to the children in this bag. See your children, अपने बैग में वो सारे गिफ्ट्स लेकर आता है, चॉकलेट्स लेकर आता है एंड सभी बच्चों को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करता है. So remember the month that is December. Now children, see here. Now 30 days has. The month which has only 30 days are the month of April. Remember this children. The month April has only 30 days. Yes, I'll ask you the question children. So, put it in your mind. April month has 30 days. Then the month, your favorite month. Yes, rainy season. June. June has 30 days children. Then again tell me which month I told you children. Yes, of course. September. This month is famous for, yes children tell me. Yes, 5th September. Recently you have celebrated the Teachers Day. Yes, online Teachers Day. Yes or no children? So you bring lot of gifts to your teachers. Yes, thank you students for respecting your teachers and showing your love to your teachers. Then again, 1 month is remaining children. It also has 30 days. Yes, your days, that is Children Day month children. It's November. So remember this children. The month April, June, September and November. These are the months which has 30 days. Okay children, again I'll ask you which month has 30 days. So you have to answer April, June, September and November are the month that has 30 days. Now what about other days, other months then children? So 31 days has children January. Yes, the new year. You wish your friends and families happy new year. So January has 31 days. Then March. Yes children, March. It's your exam time. So March also has 31 days. Then children, May. Yes, you go to beach, you enjoy lots of ice cream and you enjoy your summer vacations too in this month. So remember, May also has 31 days children. Then July. Yes children. Then August. August also has 31 days. Remember, Independence Day. Yes, in this month we celebrate Independence Day, that is 15th August. Then October. Yes children, October also has 31 days. Then comes your favorite month, Santa Claus is coming along. Yes children, so this month December also has 31 days. Remember this children, January, March, May, July, August, October and December. These are the months that has 31 days children. Then what about the other one remaining one? Yes, the one remaining month is very special month. That is, yes, guess children. Yes, expect February. Yes, children. February has only 28 days children and it is when it is leap year, so it has 29 days children. You will get to know about leap year also children in your higher standard. Yes. So expect February. Yes, you are celebrating many days in this month. So February is having 28 days or 29 days. So remember this, children. Now, children, let's have a recap. Question number 1. Name the month that has 30 days. Yes, come on, children. Remember what your teacher told you. 30 days. Yes, the month April, June, September, and November. These are the month that has 30 days, children. Remember this. April, June, September, and November. These are the months that has 30 days, children. Then question number 2. How many months of 31 days are there in the whole year? Yes, children. पूरे साल में 31 days कौन से month के होते हैं, children? Yes, the month. There are 7 months. कितने months है जिसमें 31 days आते हैं, students? So there are 7 months who has 31 days in the whole year. And question number 3, children. How many days does February has? Yes, remember, children, February, your teacher told, yes, 28 or 29 days are there in the month of February, children. Now, which month comes before June? जून से पहले कौन सा मंथ आता है, चिल्ड्रन? रिमेम्बर इट. Yes, yes, you enjoy lots of mangoes, then you enjoy your summer vacation. And one specialty of the month is that first of dash is celebrated as uh, महाराष्ट्र डे. यस, कामगार दिन जिसे हम कहते हैं. सो इट्स द मंथ मे, चिल्ड्रन. यस, सो द मंथ मे comes before June, children. Remember this. Yes, students, name the month that has 30 days. So April, June, September and November are the month that has 30 days. Then how many months of 31 days are there in the whole year? पूरे साल में कितने ऐसे मंथ हैं जिसमें सिर्फ 31 days आते हैं? So there are 7 months. Then children, how many days does February has? February में कितने days होते हैं, दिन होते हैं? That means 28 or 29 days. Then which month comes before June? June से पहले कौन सा month आता है? That is May, children. Remember this. Now children, it's your homework time, children. Yes. What you have to do in your homework, children? Yes, see here. It's your school calendar, children. The month of December. Yes, there are many events. Yes, many things going to happen in this month of December. Yes, December is the last month of the year. That is 12th month. Yes, 12th month of the year. And in this month, Santa Claus comes. Yes, we celebrate the festival of Christmas also, children. See your school calendar. Yes, there are 5 Sundays in this month. Yes, and children, two friends are having a conversation. That is Rama and Yash. Both are having conversation. See here, children, what you have to do. Rama is asking to Yash, Yash, do you know which events will take place in our school in the month December? रमा अपने फ्रेंड यश से कहती है कि हमारे स्कूल में कौन कौन से इवेंट्स होने वाले हैं. यस, कौन कौन से कॉम्पिटिशन्स होने वाले हैं इन द मंथ ऑफ डिसम्बर. सो यश आंसर देता है। यस, ऑफ कोर्स, इट्स गिवन इन अ स्कूल कैलेंडर। यस, सियर, यश ने उससे कहा कि वो हमारे स्कूल कैलेंडर में सब दिया है। यस, देन रमा टेल्स, ओके, नाउ टेल मी on which day is the drawing competition? Yes, then Rama यश से पूछती है कि कौन सा ड्राइंग कंपटीशन कौन से मंथ में होने वाला है। यस चिल्ड्रेन, नाउ सी हियर वेयर इट इज। यस, ड्राइंग कंपटीशन, सो इट्स ऑन 20th of December, that is Friday, the day is Friday and on 20 December. Yes children, and the sports competition, that is 12th and 13th of December children. So remember children, Thursday and Friday there is a sports competition in your school children. Now it's your turn now. Which festival do we celebrate on 25th December? Yes children, कौन सा फेस्टिवल हम लोग सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? यस, इट्स वेरी इजी चिल्ड्रन। यस, सैंटा क्लॉज आता है एंड ही ब्रिंग्स लॉट्स ऑफ गिफ्ट, सो इट्स द festival that is Christmas children. So we celebrate Christmas on 25th of December. Okay, then I will leave. Now I have to get ready for the picnic tomorrow. Means ये कॉन्वर्जेशन हो रहा है 6 December एंड उनकी पिकनिक कभी जाने वाली है? यस, इट्स ऑन 7 December, दैट इज सैटरडे। सो get ready for the picnic students. Yes, so this is your homework children. You have to find out the festival day, then your sports competition, on which day it is going to held, then drawing competition, and when is the picnic. Okay, thank you students, and stay safe, stay healthy children. I hope you have enjoyed this session. Take care students.